So I did a bunch of sanding. This actually feels pretty good. I just gonna fill up a little bit more with icing, with like really fine stuff. And I fixed this corner. It's pretty nice. Has a couple pinholes, but it's fixable. Fix the corners really nicely. Same as this corner. This all nice and straight. And there's a couple pinholes right here, and a little bit low right here, but it feels really nice all the way around. So front fenders coming to the end soon, hopefully. I'm gonna start working on the rears now. This is getting nice and dry, so clean it up, let them on. Alright, so front fenders are pulled off and ready to be glued on the inside. I trimmed the tank piece, and what I mean by that, like so like on the inside right there, I need to glue fender to the over fender, and also this hole right there. I'm gonna have to cut my fender out like so and bend it in and glue it to the other side of a fender, because I don't feel like deleting the hole. I kind of like the look of a hole. Or maybe, I don't know, do something there, but that's the plan for now. Oh, I'm gonna be changing side skirts. I need them for the side skirts. I need to find them because I do want to extend the fenders out. And I would like to take the car out and wash it, but there's so many cars in the yard. Actually, I need to clean up my workspace here. So I just thought a bunch, and I really can't come up with a good way to cover the hole. So what I'm thinking to do is just make a nice cut all the way around this, leave like 1/4 inch of a wall, and just keep a vent. Maybe put some mesh underneath, so it looks like a vent, and just keep it there, because there's really nothing else I can come up with that will look good and not take a ton of work. But yeah, I don't know. Alright, so I have both sides in the back glued nice and tight. Then all the way around here, and then on the inside all the way around, and I did glue stuff on the inside there. Anyway, so now I need to wait until that dries and stand away, and I need to come up with something with a bracket here. Although I do need to take my side skirts off, because like I said, I am putting M3 ones on. So right now, side skirts are off, and this side has some damage from before. But anyway, now I'm gonna pull all this hardware out and start sanding, and I'm gonna see how much I need to sand, how straight this panel is, how exactly it's gonna flow. So that's gonna be the next step. Alright, so I sand all of my fenders, and they have some low spots, some waves in them. This spot, when I glued a little bit too low, so it goes like straight and then dips down. So probably need to extend it a little bit more. I need to extend some pieces right here. This is actually really nice and flush all the way against. I need to fill some in there, some in here. The other side, I did the same thing. It's all nice and sanded. It's really bad lining here, sorry about that, but same thing. There's some low like weird spots, like some waves like this in the body, some waves in there. But anyway, so now I'm gonna take this big screws out and see how firmly it holds, and probably gonna put fenders back on. Alright, so both fenders now fully glued. Front fenders are mounted, well, just in place, and I was able to remove this hole, and it seems like glue is holding really strong, like it doesn't come off. So the only thing that worries me, since I wasn't be able to clean paint on the inside really good, I'm afraid so from vibrations and stuff it eventually will gonna come loose. So I'm thinking I'm gonna buy a hardware that I can put in here that's long enough to go through. I'm gonna like desync it in and put like a fiberglass over top of it, because from factory when I bought this over fender is already not straight, there's like caved in, so actually will work perfectly because I had to body fill it in anyway. Other than that, so far I'm really happy how this thing's turning out. Same thing here, it's like concaved in, so I will be able to desync it and put the screw in there and fiberglass over top of it. So yeah, this will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, and I'll try to post at least once, maybe once in 2 weeks, once a week. With my new work schedule I can't really do much work, so I work while I can, and yeah, I don't have much time to work on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, goodbye.